whippoorwill. And I just heard an owl. Keeps on a going. Aw. Well, I was hoping. I stopped to catch the whippoorwill a little bit, and then all of a sudden I hear hoo 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 hoo. So there's an owl out there too. Bummer. Wish you would have did it again. Man, I got a headache. I wonder if it's from those shots. He stopped. Is he gonna start again or not? Are you done, my little whippoorwill? I guess so. They start moving. A little bit. What the heck is that? A morning bird. Of course it is. It's 4:08 in the morning. It's starting to get light out, for crying out loud. Welcome to insomnia, people. I can't sleep. Well, pain don't help very much either. Okay, getting going. Oh, what is that? Nothing. Oh. Just a sign. I thought it was like eyes or something, because there's these birds out here. They're called woodcocks, and they have these glowing orange eyes with the headlights on them, and you can drive like right next to them. They don't fly off until you're like right up on them, and then you don't know where they're gonna go. If they're gonna like fly in through the window of your truck, or if they're gonna go, or whatever you're driving, or go out in front of you, or I don't know. You never know where they're going. They're nuts, I tell you, they're nuts. But almost home, so I'm gonna get it going. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Flutter out, yo.